Hello everyone, this is Jenny from BT Hair Vietnam. In this video, I am gonna show you one of our best product, which is Frontal 360 with jet hair. This is a very beautiful straight hair. It have no any process before and very thin. The light we use here is transparent light, so that it will blend to hair skill well with no any shine. And experiment it carefully. You will not have any trouble in setting or tangle when using this frontal. You can make frontal with wavy hair, curly hair, and color hair. If you want to hold this frontal in hand or take the sample, contact me via WhatsApp. If you like this video, thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to my channel to get the new video.